I really want to paint my room, but don't know where to start. Okay, let me search for it. To paint my room, it says I need paint, brushes, and painter's tape. All right, I can do that. All right, I have all these materials, but I'm still really confused on what to do from here. I've watched all these tutorials, but none of them really helped. Hey, what's up? What are you working on? Hey, I'm trying to paint this room and do a DIY remodel, but I'm getting stuck on the next steps. Yeah, looks like you're having some trouble there. That's exactly why I created Maker Home. Maker Home? What's that? Yeah, Maker Home uses educational technology to guide you through DIY projects like this, step by step, with real-time feedback and no more guessing. Awesome. That's exactly what I need. If you want personalized help with your DIY projects, check out Maker Home at makerhome.com. Whether you're painting, building, or fixing, we've got you covered. So how'd you come up with the idea for Maker Home? It sounds like such a useful tool for DIY enthusiasts. Well, it started when I moved in with my girlfriend. There were so many things we needed to fix and improve around the house. She would often call her dad Roger for help. He knows how to do it all, from plumbing to painting to even building pools. He sounds really handy. But what made you think of creating an app based on that? Having Roger around was incredibly helpful, but I realized that not everybody has a Roger in their life. And I wanted to create a platform that could provide the same kind of education and guidance that Roger provided us, but in an app. That way, anybody could have access to expert guidance and step-by-step instructions for their home renovations and DIY projects. That makes so much sense. So Maker Home is like having a personal expert in your pocket? Of course. I combined my interest in real estate, project-based learning, and computer science to develop Maker Home. The goal was to create a comprehensive AI-powered platform that integrates multimedia content, personalized feedback, and adaptive learning techniques. I'm so glad I found Maker Home. As a first-time homeowner, this painting project is going to be so much easier. It takes the guesswork out of DIY tasks. That's exactly why Maker Home was designed the way it is. Have you heard of project-based learning? No, what's that? It's learning by doing. Instead of just watching videos, you engage with the task. Like right now, you're learning by painting the wall yourself. That's hands-on experience, makes the learning stick. Got it. But I feel like I could use some guidance as I go along the project. And that's where adaptive learning comes in. Maker Home gives you tailored guidance based on what you're struggling with. If you need more details, it adapts to help you. That's perfect. But how do I know I'm making progress? That's the beauty of personalized learning. Maker Home tracks the progress in real time and gives you instant feedback. So you're learning while doing, not just watching. I get it. It's about doing it, not just reading about it. Exactly. You're engaged with interactive learning through hands-on experience, with real-time feedback, which makes the learning process way more engaging and effective. Thanks! I'm ready to continue this painting project, Maker Home. Okay, I have to say, Maker Home is so much better than what I was using before. Pinterest had some cool ideas, but it never really explained how to do things. YouTube was just a bunch of videos with no real guidance on when I hit a roadblock. I know exactly what you mean. That's why we created Maker Home. There are so many resources out there, but they often miss something crucial: personalized feedback and structure. With Maker Home, you get clear, step-by-step tutorials and real-time guidance that adapts to what you're doing. It's like having a personal mentor who walks you through every step of your project without the guesswork or frustration. So you're saying there's a better way to learn DIY without all this confusion? Maker Home isn't just another tutorial site. It's an interactive platform that guides you through the DIY projects with step-by-step tutorials, real-time feedback, and even project tracking so you can see your progress. Wow! Maker Home gave me personalized tips right after I painted. How does it do it so fast? It's all thanks to the tech stack we use. React.js makes the app super responsive, instantly updating without reloading. This way, when you make a mistake, it can give real-time feedback. So React.js makes it smooth, but how does it know what advice to give? That's where Node.js comes in. It handles the backend and the data. But the real magic? That's OpenAI's ChatGPT. It understands what you're doing and gives real-time personalized advice like a mentor, guiding you step by step. That's amazing. So the tech stack, React.js, Node.js, and ChatGPT work together to give me instant and personalized help? Exactly. And with AWS cloud hosting, it works smoothly no matter where you are. Wow. How'd you learn how to build this? I took the LinkedIn Learning Full Stack Web Developer course. It taught me everything from React.js to integrating AI. It was the perfect resource to build Maker Home. Wow. Maker Home is amazing. It's so easy to use and the tutorials are helping. How'd you make it so user-friendly? Thanks. I used agile methodology, breaking the project into 5 two-week sprints. Each sprint had a clear goal to build, test, and improve the platform based on real feedback. So you worked on it in stages? Exactly. Sprint 1 was about designing the mockups, setting up the GitHub repo, and defining features. That's impressive. But how do you know if the features were actually working for the users, such as myself? Great question. In Sprint 2, I used feedback from my classmates in the educational technology course to refine the design. That's awesome. And the AI feedback, is that part of it? Yep. In Sprint 3, I used OpenAI's ChatGPT for real-time feedback. It helps guide you through the tasks, just like you have a personal coach. That's great. And the mobile version works seamlessly too. That was Sprint 4. I focused on mobile accessibility and added gamification features like badges to keep users engaged. That's really cool. I love that. Thanks. Sprint 5 was the final tweaks in AWS hosting. Agile is all about improving with every step. Wow, these tutorials to paint my room are really clear. How'd you make it so simple? We broke down the project tutorial tasks into step-by-step tutorials, combining text, images, and videos. Plus, the infinite scroll lets you easily discover new projects as you finish others. That's awesome. And I noticed there's an AI assistant helping me out. Who's that? That's Roger. Powered by OpenAI's ChatGPT, he provides real-time personalized feedback guiding you through the issues while you work. That's great. But how do you keep the users engaged? That's the gamification element. You earn badges for milestones and can compete in challenges to stay motivated. I love the badges. And is it mobile friendly? Of course. Maker Home is fully mobile responsive, so you can get feedback and track progress on your phone or tablet while working on your project. This is perfect for hands-on learning. I can't wait to unlock my first badge. All these DIY sites feel like they're for experts. I just want to learn basic home repairs, but none of these resources feel right for me as a first-time homeowner. That's exactly why I created Maker Home. It's designed for first-time homeowners in their 20s and 30s, men and women alike. It's for people just like you. Really? How is Maker Home different? We made Maker Home approachable and welcoming with a calm, fresh color scheme and a simple hammer logo. It's perfect for people new to DIY, no matter your experience level. It feels welcoming and easy to use. Maker Home is built for first-time homeowners who want to learn DIY without feeling overwhelmed. It's fun, practical, and empowering. This is exactly what I've been looking for. If you know of any other first-time homeowners who need help with their DIY projects, share Maker Home with them. It's the perfect place to start learning. Wow, Maker Home is finally live. The tutorials are so clear, and the AI assistant is helping me every step of the way. Feels like it's made for me. Yep, it's been an exciting few months. We focused on key features like interactive tutorials and AI feedback, and it's now live at makerhome.com. What's the next step for Maker Home? We're just getting started. Next, we'll add a database for more projects and improve progress tracking. Plus, we're working on an iOS and Android app so you can take Maker Home on the go. It's awesome that you've thought about expanding the features, but how do you know what users need next? We listen to every piece of feedback. It helps shape what we build next, and we'll keep improving the AI based on user interactions. That's awesome. It sounds like Maker Home will only get better with time. Now that you've seen where we are and where we're headed, we'd love for you to join us on this journey. If you haven't yet, head to makerhome.com to try it out and follow us to stay updated with exciting features coming soon.